Hello everyone, this is Mark here from Crystal Universe, and here we are again for our crystal tutorial. I want to thank everybody for watching and tuning in to the last few, and some of your questions around wanting to know more about Lemurian crystals. Well, specifically, I will be doing a crystal tutorial on those, so stay tuned. But today, what I wanted to concentrate on was the stones of a starseed. What does that mean? So it means is that those of you in the New Age community who may have connections, feelings, thoughts, or dreams, or understandings of their origins, of their star origins, other beings from other stars or other worlds, UFOs, all of that kind of thing, that there are specific crystals which can help you, and that I've used on my journey in the last 25 years to help me unlock, activate, and unfold my cosmic origins, as I call them. Okay, so specifically, I want to start with everybody's favorite. Let's go to Moldavite. Okay, so we've got a Moldavite ring here, and we also have this absolutely stunning cut and polished cabochon here. All right, so Moldavite was created in a meteor explosion 15 million years ago in Czechoslovakia, and in this very specific area. So it's known as the starborn stone, because it has earth energy and star energy in it. And those of you who have Moldavite in your life, you will understand that it is an activator of spiritual transformation and aligns you with a lot of your star origins, your memories, and those kinds of abilities and talents which you are wanting to bring into your life now as human. So just know that this beautiful green tektite, or it's a pseudo tektite, is that once it comes into your life, make sure it is real though, because there's a lot of fake out there. Is that when it comes into your life, when it finds you, I'd probably not go out searching for it, but when it finds you, it means it's ready to help you and things are going to change. All right, but Moldavite for starseeds is a must. Okay, going to the next type of pseudotektite, which is one which is becoming extremely popular right now. It's called Libyan desert glass. So it is very similar to Moldavite, but it has this beautiful, gentle yellow sun color as well. So it was created in a meteor impact 25 million years ago around the areas of Libya and Egypt and Upper Africa. So Tutankhamun actually had a scarab beetle carved out of this incredible stone. And as you can see, it has a very sun energy about it. So it works through the solar plexus. So what it will do is that it actually works really well with Moldavite, because as Moldavite brings you the downloads of cosmic information and intuition, is that your desert glass can help you to anchor it into your solar plexus so that you can actually make sense of it and put it into action. So these two work really, really well. But tune in to which one you feel that you need, because each of them carry very different energies. I like to hold one in each palm of my hand, and when I do, it creates this circuit, and they just start to really power up. And I can already feel it passing right through my energy field and powering it up. It's like it's almost connecting me to the sun or the star energy itself. Okay, it's warming. It's really beautiful. Our next stone, which very important for starseeds and connects into the Egyptian connection, which the Egyptians were very much aligned with the star of Sirius. Their pyramids were aligned with Orion, and the Nile rising was when Sirius was rising as well. So the Sirius star energy is connected into their goddess called Nuit. And Nuit was a goddess of the night sky. So at sunset, she would bring her cloak and pull it right across her sky and create a blanket of stars. So our beautiful lapis lazuli, all of this beautiful pyrite and the sparkles of pyrite are the stars in the night sky. Okay, so this incredible stone, it is royal, it is truth, and it connects you into your inner king and queen because it was inlaid into the tombs of the royal kings and queens in their burial tombs as well. So your lapis can activate your third eye, bringing you into more attunement with your origins and the stars and some of the deities of Egypt who were, as you probably understand, were all from the Sirius star system as well, hence their elongated heads. But anyway, that's another story. Next, I want to go to our beautiful Celestite, which we all love and we can understand why. It immediately lifts us into those heavenly spheres, into the nebula, into those beautiful pictures of the Hubble telescope. It just brings you into those higher realms in the stars, which this brings you into. This is where this stone can raise your vibration and allow you to pick up, you could call it pieces or aspects of your spirit or your soul, which are wanting to come back, which are wanting you to remember, okay? So knowing that with all of these stones, as long as you have some kind of grounding practice or grounding crystals as well, your smoky quartz, you all know how much I love my smoky quartz, or any kind of tourmaline or dark or black stone to help you to anchor accessing these higher energies, because we don't want you to escape. We need you to go there, access it, pull it in, ground it, anchor it, and act upon it, because we need all you beautiful, powerful starseeds here on the planet. And of course, the Crystal Kingdom can help us, and one of those ways is these are iron meteorites from Western Australia. And yes, they came from the stars as well, but they have a heavy iron content. So these meteorites, yes, can induce astral travel and start to pull you out of your body, but they will always pull you back. Whereas these other stones, especially Moldavite, you may have trouble coming back again. But your iron heavy meteorites, if you want to astral travel to the stars or explore all of that, is that because of the heavy iron content, they attune to the core iron to the iron core of our planet. So meaning that it will always bring you back. It will always ground you. And we have this absolutely stunning 100-kilo meteorite here. And one afternoon I thought, okay, I'd like to attune and explore it. And within 3 seconds, flipped me out of my body sideways, and then I flipped in again, and then it flipped me to the other side, and I flipped in again, and I went, I pulled my hands off and went, okay, wow, well, I mean, it's 100 kilos, right? So it's pretty potent, but it brought me in very quickly, and I was completely aligned afterwards, was not spaced out at all. So these are a few stones I have worked with along my path to explore my starseed origins, okay? So just more gifts which our beautiful earth has given us to help us explore more of who we are. So thank you everybody for tuning in, and I hope you, oh yes, and I wanted to pull a card from the beautiful Starseed Oracle just to round off our beautiful starseed energy. And I pulled one earlier which I thought was really gorgeous, and it is the Cosmic Heart. Okay, this is devotion, potency, and make your life a moving prayer. And the Cosmic Heart kind of rounds out what these crystals are here for. They are here to help us not only connect, or to help us connect past our human heart into the cosmic heart, which is endless, okay? And that what you bring in from your starseed origins, anchor it into your heart so that you realize you're not just human, you're not just here on the earth, you are part of everything and anything. And the cosmic heart exists underneath and behind your human heart, in between your shoulder blades. It's something I work with quite often in my healing work. So remember it is there, and work on it, activate it, and I wish you well on your starseed journeys. Thank you very much.